The game tonight is our main event between the defending champions, 2 in a row, Team Praga and Team E&J Fed Supply. First quarter underway, and here we go. Garcia Andrada. Garcia, good defense by Loreño. Jules Garcia. Andrada. Martinez. Martinez. Good move. Out Casino. Loreño. Good pass to Umayaw. Finish it. First 2 points of the game for the big man, Umayaw. Jules Garcia. Pass to Casino. Andrada. On the three. Short. Casino rebound. Punta pula. The MVP gets the rebound. Good ball movement. Iwarata basket. First points of the season for Iwarata, number 1, Team Praga. Score 4-0. Kalipunan basket. My idol. Tony Kalipunan Jr. Iwarata. Good defense by Tony. Loreño, good defense with the white shirt. Pass to Lombrado, left wide open. That's automatic for the MVP. Wala tao. Jules Garcia. Jules for Trey, short. Kalipunan, wala. Lombrado gets the rebound. Loreño. Loreño. Good pass to Loron. Back to Lombrado. Lombrado was stripped. Jules Garcia, nice move. Back it down. And 1 for Jules Garcia. All the way to the rack. First points of the season for the Season 5 MVP, Jules Garcia. Bonus free throw coming. 3 points on his name. Score 6-5 first quarter. Iwarata jumper. Kalipunan. Garcia. To Martinez. Martinez penetrates. Martinez scores. Basket for Martinez, RJ. Iwarata. Jumper.
Outside.
That's 1 out of 3 for Iwarata. Andrada for 3. Wala. Casino rebound. Back. Wala. To Lombrado. Short. Last break to Garcia. Garcia. Good pass to Kalipunan. Kalipunan. Fade away. Basket. Sonny Kalipunan using glass for 2. Loreño. Defense by Kalipunan. Umayaw. There's a foul. It's on RG Martinez.
Foul.
Loreño.
Loreño. number 3.
Short. Casino, another rebound. Garcia. Garcia. Fakes. Kalipunan penetrates. Jump shot. Wala. Lombrado rebound. Iwarata jump shot. Lumayaw. Defensive rebound. rebound.
Pass to
Lombrado. Back to Lareño. Lareño, straight on three, short. Iwarata.
Umayao number 3.
Wala.
No good.
Great rebound by Pasino.
Pass to Garcia.
To Garcia. Kalipunan using glass. Wala. Outside. Lareño, wala. Rebound. Oh, great basketball. Great pass. Nice one. Good pass, couldn't finish. Lumayo gets the rebound, but against wala. Pasino another board. Will not lose the ball. Pass to the open man. Oh, sorry, miss. Umayaw to Lauron, wala Japon. Lauron gets it back, foul basket. For Apo ni Ramon, Lauron. Bonus free throw for Apo ni Ramon, Lauron. Short. Di Manalata is in the game. Kirby to the corner, Kalulot. Kalulot, step back. Pass to Kirby. Kirby for three. Short. Lauron. Yes. Lombrado was blocked by Di Manalata. Pass to Lauron. Lauron fouled. Lauron, first attempt, in and out. Villarias is in the game with Kalulot, Di Manalata, Jules Garcia, and Kirby Andrada. Second attempt, that's miss. Di Manalata putback, wala. Lareño. Lareño, strong move to the basket, wala. Andrada to Garcia. Garcia to Kalulot. Oh, wala. Garcia gets it back. Garcia, basket. Jules Garcia. Lareño triple. Short. Lombrado gets a rebound. Arcillar. Traveling. Good defense. Aleb is in with Mini. And Minguez. Foul. Oh, Minguez gets foul. Minguez, wala. Garcia orchestrating the play. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Opening quarter. Martinez. Martinez shoots and scores. RG Martinez with an effective jump shot. Mini. Foul by Garcia. Garcia, di ba ng lata? Martinez, Garcia. Mini to Aplaska. Carceliar. Back to Aplaska. Aplaska, 3-point attempt. Wala. May rebound. Aliliga is in the ball game. He uses number 22. Mini, good pass to Aplaska. Wala. Kalulot up to the wrong man. Carceliar. Pass to Aplaska. Aplaska for three. In and out. Carceliar foul. Wala. Two free throws for Carceliar. Short. Second attempt. Wala. Karipunan. Villarreal. Pass break to Mini. Couldn't handle. Welcome to Emperor Cup Season 9 Open Category. Haji. Wala. Back to Mini. Mini pass break. Carceliar open. Easy for Carceliar from Mini. Pass to Karipunan, left-handed shot, pass it. Salai's finest player before, and now returning to the game. Katipunan. Aplaska, corner three. Wala. Casino rebound. To Villarreal. Basket. 2 seconds. Good defense. And first quarter scored 19. And Solomon and Ajay will be seeing in action for the first time. The 24K Empire Basketball League Emperor Cup Season 9. To the game. Mini. So Olive for her jumper is good. For Olive for last season's defensive player of the game. Mini, speedy, oh, great finish against Jules Garcia and Mini. Katipunan, quick release, wala, Carceliar rebound. Aska crossover, good defense by Jules, deflection, Minguez, jump shot, wala, back by Alib, ball goes through, Jules, Katipunan, left-handed layup. Sonny Katipunan. Laska. Robert Allen. Robert, good pass to Minguez. Couldn't finish. Minguez.
There's a foul. Substitution for jersey number 29. Pasino is
still put it by a bucket for Kirby Andrada. Yes, Lumini loses the ball to Katipunan. Katipunan, good defense by Alib. Katipunan gets it back. Katipunan jumper is good. Sonny Katipunan. Jobert Alib. Alib, good fake. Basket. Jobert Alib. Napaliligay. Wala. Alib. Against Fasino. Alib. Mene. Oh, turnover.
Liligay ito Andrada. Fake pass to Katipunan. Sunny. Fake pass to Garcia. Steal.
Blasca. Oy!
Nice pass to Ali. Pero nahuyan.
Turnover. And Solomon and Magic. Substitution. Debut games for the two bowlers. Solomon, Magic. Garcia, jumper, it's good. Garcia. Aplaska for three. Magic. Mini straight on tray, short. Solomon. Foul. A trip to the free throw line, shooting two. Akupan is in the game. Lauron is back also. Alib is out. First attempt, no good for Solomon. Second attempt, short. Still warming up for Solomon. Lauron. Over to Akupan. Stepping on the line. Turnover for Praga. Solomon and Garcia on the backcourt. To Haji. Haji fakes, penetrates, good pass to the Malalata block. Akupan gets the rebound to Mini. Mini. Good defense by Garcia. Mini. Dominguez turnaround jumper. Effective. Dominguez. Lemon. Kalulot. Has to be Nanata. Solomon penetrates. The Mighty Mouse score. First points of the season for Solomon. The Mighty Mouse. Yes. Rebound. Haji scores for two. Icing the defense. Coast to coast. First points of the season for Haji. Debut game. Oh, what a move! By Mini, fast-paced game. Solomon, better run move. That was beauty for Ren Solomon. Using his basketball IQ to score against taller defender. Mini Solomon.
Shot clock 14.
Coron. Court. The Manalata out. Sid Doromal is in for the first time with 4 minutes and 45 seconds in the game, second quarter. Garcia. Or turnover, Mini running. Mini. Inside G. Oh, scores! What a nice play by Mini against Haji. Garcia to Kalulot. Oh, what a play! Downtown.
Shot clock 14.
Umayaw, turnaround jumper, good defense by Doromal. Doromal gets the rebound. First rebound of the game. Solomon, fast break opportunity to PNJ Food Supply, leading by 9. Around to Belnas. Belnas is in for the first time. Wala. A rebound. Solomon. To the corner. Garcia. Katipunan. Oh, turnaround jumper. Umuga ng mga galaw ni Katipunan during his prime.
Laron, shot clock 14. Pass to Bellas. Bellas number 3. No good. Rebound by Akupan.
I'm using glass.
Laron, pass to Akupan.
The young gun scoring back-to-back in this tight ball game. Doromal gets it back. Doromal foul. Andrada is back in the game. And Jose Garcia with a breather. Doromal first attempt, basket. Doromal missed the second. Lumbrado with a rebound. Akuban.
Rebound by Haji.
Haji. Come on, turn over. Lumbrado, jumper. Oh, good tassel by Belnas. Wala. Lumbrado, foul basket for the MVP.
Foul against number 18, Doromal is first. Personal foul.
Lumbrado shooting the bonus free throw. Lumbrado scores.
Triple play by Lumbrado.
Katipunan, turnaround Jay, wala. Belnas rebound. Belnas, Akupan. Akupan jumper, wala. Akupan gets it back. Akupan scores. 6 points already for Dion Akupan. Solomon, Villarreal, Doromal against Alib. Oh, Doromal escapes and scores for 2. Escaping the defense of last season's defensive player of the game, Alib. Doromal is so strong. Too big. Dion.
Akupan pass to Bellas. Bellas at 14. Bellas.
Good defense.
Intercept. Rebounds. Good by Akupan. Akupan
Pass to Alib. Alib, short jumper, wala. Belnas gets a rebound. Follow up, wala.
No good. Rebound by Akupan. Pass to Villas.
Villas!
Basket by Villas.
For TJ Villas. Solomon running. To Andrada for three. Bang! Three-pointer. First three-pointer of the season for Kirby Andrada, the Silay Sniper.
25 seconds.
Villas to Alib. To Lumbrado. Lumbrado gets it back. Lumbrado wala. Until there, follow up is good. Magic. Solomon to Andrada for three. Back-to-back three for Andrada. Silay Sniper. Buzzer beater. That was beauty from Ren Solomon. Garcia will trade short. Two big men fighting. Oh, good defense.
Good defense by Villar. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 10.
Haji, nice move.
Foul.
Fouled.
Jersey number 6,
Double trip to the free throw line. Shooting two. Them 1 out of 2. Grado to Iwarada. Fouled in the attempt.
Foul. Jersey number 4, Villarreal.
Iwarada shooting a pair. First attempt for Iwarata. Friendly bounce. Two out of 2 for Iwarata. 44-43. 9 minutes 20 seconds. Third quarter. Andrada. Magic. Back to Andrada. Foul. Uy, shoot naman tahan
Foul.
yun.
Jersey number 14, Loreno. First personal foul. Shot clock 14.
Normal. Double team. Foul. Attempt.
Foul jersey number 22. Castilla. This is the basket by Normal.
45-43. Favor of ENJ Feed Supply. Two out of 2 for Kid Normal. For movement. Brasilyar. Turnover. Closes the handle. Oh!
Outside Villarreal.
Alumbrado. Arceliar. Jumper is good.
2
Points for Arceliar. He has a mid-range shot. Nada. Step back three. Wala. Lumbrado rebound. Lumbrado! Oh, what a miss! Miss for the MVP. Garcia, bull fake.
Substitution. Foul jersey number 1, Luan Rata. First personal foul.
Aliliga is in the ball game. Oh, good steal! But Aji gets it back.
Shot clock 10.
Villarreal for Trey! In and out! Ball goes to Plaska. Iwarada jumper. Wala. Aji. Aji, spin move. Foul.
Foul.
Nice attempt.
Foul jersey number 1, pushing foul, Luan Rata is second personal foul.
Pedosio is in. Martinez is in also. Martinez. Good defense via Plaska. Loron, foul.
Foul jersey number 011. Apaslap.
Martinez. So Aliligay, long tray. Wala. Guess rebound. Loreño penetrates. Wala. Loreño gets it back. Bump. Foul. Pedosio.
Foul jersey number 17. Pedosio returns.
Loreño. Short stop. 2 points. Great play on the inbound. Karipunan. Wala. Karipunan gets it back. Wala.
Rebound by jersey number 6. Aplaska to Loreño.
Loreño to Plaska. Plaska. Basket. 49-46. 6 minutes. Third quarter. Rebound. Minguez and scores for Minguez. Timeout. The defending champs running. Now leading by 5. Aliligay, corner tray. Oh! What a play, what a shot for the season 2 MVP. Nap Aliligay. Nini for Trey. No. Mardones in the game. Plaska for Trey. Wala. Aliligay. Pass break opportunity to Martinez. To Solomon. Oh, quick step, Solomon! Wala. Plaska uses his quickness, wala. Baldona, follow up, wala. Ball goes to Solomon. Solomon running. Pass to Aliligay, back to Solomon. Basket.
Score to Toronto.
Nice play. Nice finish. Good defense by Solomon. Aliligay. Pass to Martinez. Floating. Basket. Martinez. Oh, abansi na sila. Up and down. Here we go. Minguez. Use baseline to Baldona. Wala. Solomon. Solomon running. Solomon. Pass to Aliligay. Aliligay. Step back three. Wala. Mini running. Wow. Last for three. Solomon rebound. Solomon to Aji. Aji. Wow. Nice finish. Slicing the defense. Beating everybody. Scores. Mini. To Minguez. Jump shot. Basket. Simple play. 55, 53, 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Pass to Chudosio. Chudosio underneath. Wala. Good defense by the Black Squad. Mini. To Minguez. Jump shot. Short. Save by Alib. To Minguez. To Baldona. To Aplaska for three. Bang! 3-pointer for Aplaska. 56-55 in favor of the two-time defending champion, Braga. Aji. Aji penetrates. Wala. What he will do to the free throw strike. Shooting two.
Braga. To start for this number 16.
Shooting pair. First attempt is good. Second attempt, basket. 2 out of 2 for Aji. This might in. Alib. Alib pass to Minguez. Minguez. Back to Alib. Minguez. Free throw line jumper. Wala. Short. One.
Solomon to Garcia.
Garcia.
Garcia fake pass.
Oh, nice pass. Grabe. Oh, mga pass. Mini. Deflected by Garcia. Garcia saves it. Garcia. 1-on-1 against Mini. Pass to Aji. Floating. Basket. Aji. So strong. Isma. Rebound. Mini. Alib. Ball fake to Minguez. Right wing. Wala. Aji rebound. Aji foul. Foul before the shot. First attempt basket. Galan tao si LBJ ba? Okay, short on the attempt. 1 out of 2. We have free throw
2
attempt.
seconds.
Dominguez, good ball fake and scores! Better run play for Dominguez. Solomon, oh!
Shot clock 14. 10.
Garcia, wala. Good box out by Alib. 20 seconds, Mini. Layup is good for Mini. Nice move by Mini. 10 seconds. Solomon. Asino, wala. 10 seconds.
Third quarter, score 62-60 in favor of ENJ.
Start of fourth quarter, 62-60. The defending champion trailed by 2. Loreño. Umayaw. Good defense by Kid. Loreño, corner tray, wala. Ball. Aji. Oh, nice move. Alib, good pass. Good pass by Alib. Good finish by Nombrado. Oy, pass to the wrong man. Yun lang. Gambal mo sa plus kamay, yun lang. 62 for Aplaska for 3! Bang! 3-pointer for Aplaska. They take the lead now. 65-64. Aji, nice move. Foul, wala. Lumbrado, jumper is good. Here comes the defending champions, Braga. Romal, jumper is good. Kid Romal. 66-67. Steal by Solomon. Oh, missed the layup. Aplaska. Ray, wala. Rebound. Solomon running. Solomon to Garcia. Left, wala. They lead by 3 now.
Aji, pasok ke rumah.
Defense by Aplaska. Recovered. Loreño.
Aplaska. Basket.
Here comes the two-time champions with a 5-point lead with 7:26 remaining. Pero the adjustment ni Coach ba? Back to the ball game, 71-66. Fourth quarter now. Ajay ball fake. Ajay, a jumper basket. Off jumper. Ajay. 71-68. Lauron basket. Simple play, but effective for Team Braga. Lauron scoring.
foul goes to number 9.
Last cover 3. Lumbrado rebound. Lauron. Laureño for 3. In and out. Calulok rebound.
Paso Solomon to Andrada. Andrada, paso Solomon na number 3. No good. Paso Laureño.
Lumbrado, good pass to Casca.
Another foul goes to number 7. Solomon second personal foul sa Judici. 5 minutes, 57 seconds.
17. Lauron. Casca. Ball goes to Lumbrado. Lumbrado foul. Lumbrado short in the attempt. Lumbrado another short. 2 misses for the MVP. Solomon orchestrating the play. Andrada in the right wing. Garcia. Second. Garcia.
Laureño, paso Lumbrado to Marcial. Perimeter 2. Solomon. Paso Andrada, paso Aji. Andrada to Solomon.
Right corner to Aji. And they have Lasca to Garcia. Corner 3. Wala. Open shot, but couldn't convert. 4 minutes, 40 seconds. Fourth and final quarter. Now run. Oh, Lumbrado. Basket. Nobody backs out. Lumbrado, 75-70. Solomon
to Garcia. Garcia to Garcia.
Garcia penetrates, no one scores.
Laureño, paso
75-72. Lasca for 3.
Ninjas pemabalik. Umiinit. Solomon, pass to Aji. Aji to Garcia, back to Aji. Aji to Solomon.
Oh, good pass, two-man play. Basket. Good two-man play. 4-7-0. Good pass by Ren Solomon. Minguez. Basket. 77-74. Garcia loses the angle.
Same ball. Referee decision, same ball.
Lamont to Aji. They for 3. Bang! Order! Tied ball game. Deadlock at 77. Kirby Andrada ties the game with 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Señal. There's a foul. For this is Juan Garcia. The second personal foul, first team foul.
Come on. Ajay. Oh! Misses. Still tied at 7-7. Yes. Oh, he's still. Garcia. From defense to offense. Jules Garcia.
Personal foul, timeout, Braga, 5 seconds, both teams, 1 and 1 away, both teams, English and both teams.
Bonus free throw for Jules Garcia. Convert.
Garcia.
87-7. Last 2 minutes. Iwarata. Wala. Haji rebound. They're running. As to Andrada. Layup. Oh! Miss. Garcia foul.
There's a foul. Foul goes to number 5, Bennett. He's fourth personal foul. Sad. Substitution.
Two free throws for Jules Garcia. First attempt, basket. 81-77 in favor of ENJ. Second attempt for Jules, basket. 82-77. The champion is trailing by 5. 82-77 now. Garcia. Oh, nice pass to Romal. Wala. Ajay rebound. Ajay foul.
Foul. This is the foul. Shooting foul.
Ajay shooting 2 free throws. 1 minute and 4 seconds remaining in the game. Ajay shooting free throw. Friendly bounce is good. Second attempt. Oh, in and out. 83-77. Mayo. Out.
There's a foul, dropping foul, Garcia.
Basket, much needed free throw for Laureño is good on the first attempt. Second attempt, basket. 83-79, 55 seconds. 4-point lead for ENJ Supply. Team Praga is trailed by 4. Ulumon. Then Laureño. Ajay. Ajay. 1-on-1 against Lauron. Lauron, good defense. Good defense by Lauron. Now they're running. Aplaska for 3. Wala. Ajay. Ulumon on the foul. Ulumon shooting free throw.
21 segundos. Both teams are now in penalty. Defense.
Limon shooting free throw. First attempt. Short. Second attempt. Basket. 84-79.
Time out. Praga. Why not what about Praga?
The play goes to, oh, good anticipation by Jules Garcia, all the way to the rack for 2 points.
Taking down Solomon, goes number 7.
Lombrado shooting free throw. Good. 86-80. 15 seconds. Now run for Dre. Short. Solomon gets the rebound. Garcia. Garcia. What a ball game. Congratulations to Team DNJ Supply. Great game. Final score 86-80. Congratulations. Yeah, bro.
Good.
Congrats, idol.
Best player of the game, jersey number 0, Arjun.